Hello YouTube, this is the third day of the vlog. This is Vibhor Mathur. I'm from India and I'm right now shooting this from my bedroom cum studio. What you see behind me is the basic studio setup which I'm using for compositing the layouts and also shooting from maybe overhead or even from a tripod. This is the third video, so I would like to give a basic rundown of the kind of materials I'm using. So you can see this as a material level artist statement where I'm explaining what kind of materials I'm using for making my artworks. So my house, the house where I'm living right now, it's my family house. This house was in construction a couple of months back, and while the construction was happening, there was a lot of electrical wiring fitting work was happening, and I was just observing that. And one day I realized a lot of names of electrical equipments like the power sockets, plugs, even wires and all those things, a lot of their namings are based on male and female, which gave me an idea that these objects can be used to explain different sort of human emotions or maybe human expressions, and so many human level communication can be represented through these objects. Yeah, that's why I started using these objects in different sort of composition to express one or other human feeling. If I give you exact note down what kind of objects I'm using, these would be 2-pin sockets, 3-pin sockets, same plugs for those 2-pin plugs, 3-pin plugs. I also have different sort of chargers, maybe an Android charger, iPhone charger. I have a lot of wires, which are thick wires, thin wires. I have pen, pencil, white sheet of paper, and a mirror. So these are the common things which I'm using for all these kind of compositions. White paper, a little bit of stationary elements like colors and brushes, and thick and thin kind of paper are kind of the default which has been used. The objective of the art still remains to create things which hit you from an emotional angle rather than from the composition angle. That means that what you see is about what the emotion it represents rather than what the literal composition could be. So it's not about how the electrical wire is connected to which socket. It's not about the flow of electricity over here. It's actually about the flow of the communication. So that's the overall material level work that I'm doing. From an execution point of view, I am working from two ways. The first one would be to create compositions which itself give meaning, and the other one will be the composition which has some sort of text attached to it. That means I'm also creating text-based artworks which are which also have a composition and some sort of collage composition with text along with it. And not the text which is as a caption or a statement, just the text which is inserted in, which is itself is the part of the artwork. So these are two kind of artworks I'm doing. These are mostly combined photos and videos as well. So yeah, that's the overall thing that I'm exploring. Some of these are already posted on Instagram. Some of the ideas you can see, like, because I've been working on the same conceptual idea for a long time now. If you look at the old typography posts I used to post on my Instagram, they are kind of in the similar emotional zone which I'm still exploring right now. But this material, these objects that I've compiled and started using in the recent time is quite new. And that's it from me for the third video. Hope you like it. I've given a pretty basic insight of what kind of elements I'm using for my artworks. About the kind of release date I'm thinking and how I'm going to releasing it is I'm not disclosing that right now. That will be revealed a little bit later. That's just for the curiosity part. See you in the next one. Bye bye.